Hey you guys, it's Keturah Janeen here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I created these centerpieces for my baby shower. Starting off here, what I did was just took some wood paint and I am painting over these plain boxes that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I ended up painting 3 of them because I had 3 tables, which makes 3 different centerpieces. So here what I did was just paint them and then took some paper towel to give it that rustic wooden feel. Here I purchased white linen tablecloth and I love the way the burlap went up against the white tablecloth. I only purchased 1 roll of burlap, and what I did was distributed that roll evenly for 3 parts for the 3 tables for the runner. I took 1 bunch of eucalyptus and cut that into 6 equal parts, 2 per table. I ended up putting that in the holes of the actual wooden box that I painted. The floral arrangement is comprised of 1 mini terracotta pot, a mason jar, and like this smaller milk jug looking glass, and it's succulent, eucalyptus, and a bit of pink. I also added some moss to give it that extra garden flair.